Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you constantly forgetting things? In this video, I will share a simple but powerful trick for adding reminders to your calendar so you won't miss anything. Let's go! With iOS 18, Apple has made it even easier to stay organized by combining reminders with the Calendar app. Now, you can manage your tasks and events in one place. To use it, you must do this first to view the reminders list in the Calendar app. Launch the Calendar app on your iPhone. From here, tap Calendars at the bottom of the screen and make sure Scheduled Reminders is selected, as this will display all reminders with assigned dates next to your events. You'll immediately notice that the list has been synced and is visible within the calendar. Another good thing about this integration is that you can now create a reminder in the Calendar app. All you have to do here in the app is to tap the plus button at the top right corner. Choose the Reminder tab to create a new reminder. Enter the details such as the title, for example, work meeting. Then add your notes here. You can also select the date and time for your reminder. Additional options are that you can set the reminder to repeat, select a specific list, and more. Afterward, tap on the Add button to save the reminder. To mark a reminder as complete in the Calendar app, click the reminder to view the details. Then tap the circle next to the reminder's name. You can also edit or delete a reminder here. Click this Edit button to change the details or the Delete Reminder button below to remove it. Lastly, you can use Siri to create a new reminder. To do so, just say, "Hey Siri, remind me to call Mark on March 28th at 3 p.m. Siri will then send a message to your calendar to remind you. Another example would also be, "Hey Siri, create a reminder for my doctor's appointment tomorrow." That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.